Hey everybody, welcome back to my Pizza Dough Pro YouTube channel. I just baked a small pizza for lunch. This came out about 20 minutes ago, so it is cooling down, but I just wanted to give you a fast look at what a really nice pizza that is. And this was baked in my Turpone Forza pizza oven. You've seen a lot of pictures from that oven, but I just wanted to give you a really fast video of what you can do with that nice oven. And that has a rotating turntable. So I can't wait to get into this, but I wanted to show you it really quickly. So thanks very much for watching. If you want to see the pizza dough recipe, it's over on my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. I'll put a link underneath the video in the description box, which will head over to my channel there, and you can check out the recipe video. Thanks for watching.